Good morning, good morning. You guys hear me? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everyone had a great day. Good sleep, good rest. All right. Let us see what we can do today. All right. All right. So the IWM is continuing to be the biggest loser. The NASDAQ is helping lift the SPY up. Tesla also bounced pretty heavily, so that is helping the NASDAQ. For everyone that's new, we're trading the 0 DTE expiration date contracts on the SPY. So if I say that I'm buying into calls, I'm buying the closest at the money calls, which is currently the 401s. And then if I'm say that I'm buying into puts, I'm buying the closest at the money puts, which are the 400 puts. Good morning, everybody. Here. Alrighty. Good morning from Qatar. Crazy. Good morning. Mashallah, what a beauty. Alright. NASDAQ 299.50 is major resistance. 400.72 is major resistance on the SPY. IWM, big, strong green candle closed above the 10 SMA and the 50 SMA. Good morning, everyone. Okay. NASDAQ is very strong right now. Tesla, that Tesla bounce. IWM 187.11 is major resistance. 401.30 is the next level. 401.24 is the next level for the SPY. I'm in SPY puts, 0.94 stop. 0.94 stop. Okay. It's at 0.93. Oh, I really like SPY puts right now, man. All right, it fell below 0.94. I might rebuy. I'm in SPY puts again with a 0.86 stop. Let's get a nice little rip down. Buyers are getting exhausted. .401 is support for late bulls. That shouldn't hold. Continue falling. Continue falling. Take some profits. Take some profits and I'll leave runners. 401.15 needs to 401.15 is the level that it needs to remain below. This is normally like a setup that would just crack lower. Okay. Cool. So far, so good. So far, so good. It's too early to buy into calls. So late bulls are, it would be very, very risky to try to go long here. 400.72 is major support on the SPY and 300.14 is major support on the NASDAQ, but this would just be the equivalent of catching a falling knife going long here. The momentum is still clearly bearish. So unless we get like a rip to the upside, then the momentum is still bearish. Going long here is just risky. Once again, with this setup, what they should do is they should rip it below this local level of support that they built and rebuy around here if they're going to rip it up. But I could be wrong. So obviously just make sure that you guys don't allow this to go back red. But I would be not really shocked, but not really shocked because Tesla is showing a lot of strength and the market is bouncing. But currently on the 1 minute chart, this should be falling much lower. 20%. Okay. Should be falling. IWM is continuing to crack lower, but the SPY and the NASDAQ are holding support. The IWM is now trading right above the 200 SMA, so that is acting as support on the IWM. Piece of crap. Contracts are still up. Contracts is holding value. Holding value a little too well. Make sure you guys have taken profits. And now just make sure you don't allow this to go back red. Or keep your stop loss in profit. Fall. Just crack lower. Just crack lower and buy the dip down here. Buy the dip down there if you want to buy the dip. Good. Very nice. Good for you. 30%. Now is not the time to go long, MMs. IWM broke below the 200 SMA, but this piece of crap SPY and the NASDAQ are still holding support. Tesla is showing so much strength. That's the issue for bears. Piece of crap, bro. They don't want this to just die. Just one little more leg down. Retest 400.5 and then rip it up. Ooh, this would be a very nice bull trap. This would be a spectacular bull trap. But I don't know if they have the cojones to do that. Stupid. NASDAQ is breaking above the local resistance level at 300.4. That's why I'm saying that this would be a good bull trap, because the IWM is trading right at the lows. The NASDAQ is showing a lot of relative strength. And then the SPY was following the NASDAQ. And the SPY is also holding above 400.7. So people are going long. They're like, oh my God, we're holding support. The IWM is at support. The NASDAQ is showing strength. That's why I'm saying that this would be a really good bull trap. Because just because things are holding support doesn't necessarily mean that there is a justifiable reason to go long. Come on. That's it. Stop this. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. SPY's at 400.72 support and the 10 SMA. They're chopping things around really, really badly. Ooh, I feel bad for anyone that went long at like 9:58, 9:58 a.m. when we bounced to 400.9, thinking that we would start ripping, but starting to chop things around. Unfortunate. They're just not letting it die. Things can basically go either way here, unfortunately. Choppy price action, but So once again, right now, the market conditions, it's not as simple to just go along at support because they simmer the market at that level of support, get enough people to think that things are holding support for them to be bullish and then rip it up. So that only, like, you can only go long at support at different times during the day. It's hard to explain, but there's a lot more variables that go into it, but yeah. That candle at 10:01 just made me upset. NASDAQ high of day, the IWM broke above the 200 SMA on the 1 minute, and it's trading right below the 10 SMA and the VWAP. $400.9 is the level that bulls want us to hold. It's risky to try to short here. Still holding on to runners with stop loss at break even, but NASDAQ is holding above 300.64, which is major support on the NASDAQ. IWM is showing strength above VWAP and the 10 SMA. So trying to reshort and entering into new shorts here would be very, very tight. You would basically just need to go short with a very tight stop loss. But the momentum has shifted to the bullish side. Okay. Ooh. You could go short again. Oh, never mind. Fed speaking. Contracts up 40%. SPY tested the 50 SMA. Make sure you guys definitely now took profits if you didn't already. 400.9 is the level that bears want this to remain below. But a move like that should continue falling lower. This is a disgusting setup to go long. It should just fall lower, but I'd be, I mean, not shocked, but it's just not a clean long setup currently. NASDAQ held the 10 SMA, closed back above 300.64. That 400.9 level on the SPY remained as resistance. Came back, tested it. And now let's see if this continues falling lower based off of that level. Let's freaking go, bro. Holy crap. Thank God we didn't shift bullish, man. All right, now the SPY is trading below VWAP. 400.9 literally held this resistance beautifully. Beautifully. Keep playing with me, MMs. Don't try this again, MMs. Don't try to make a little bullish move and be, oh, we're gonna rip up. Don't do this again, MMs. You're gonna be on McDonald's. What's the word when the parent? You're gonna not grounding. That doesn't make sense. Be on McDonald's. I don't even know how to explain this. All right, sold the rest of the contracts. I think I sold a little too early. Fudge. That was a bad trade. I don't know why I sold everything, but 60%. Fudge. I don't know why I sold. Crap. That sucks. Silly Hamza. The IWM broke with a big red candle low of day. The NASDAQ is at 300.14. SPY is breaking below 400.16, which is major support. This should be good. Honestly, like the put side should be good as long as this remains below 400.4. We could squeeze out another leg or two down. And then if it breaks below 400, your puts are going to be really, really good. I'm in light SPY calls 400 stop. The contract's stop loss is going to be 665. This is risky. We're trying to catch the bottom. Contracts are moving poorly as well. But let's see if we get an explosion above 400.3. Make sure this position is light. Ooh, she puts. 0.65. Stopped out. Oh my god. I knew I freaking sold the puts too early. Tesla gave back all of its gains. I'm in SPY calls again, 0.86 stop. Again, this is risky, but it's tight stop loss. Very, very tight stop loss. Like 0.86 is nothing. Contracts are moving up really nice. Yeah, contracts moving up well. This is a nice scalp. Let's see if we get one more minute up. One more little push up. Start taking some profit. It's only up 8%, but now have a stop loss at break even. Make sure you guys aren't watching the stream on YouTube because there's a 10-second or so delay. No, I think it's way more than 10 seconds actually, but watch the stream on Twitch or on TikTok instead. I'm not seeing the strength that I would have wanted to see. We should have retested 400.16 already. Mm-hmm. 16%. Nice little tight stop loss. Beautiful play, honestly. Yeah. All right, now it was beautiful. Very good play. Make sure you just don't let this go back red. Timeout. Yeah, chill beat. Thank you. Timeout. You're on McDonald's timeout. Yes, that's what I was trying to think of. you're on McDonald's. What was the word that I said before? You're on a McDonald's grounding. Yeah, that was you're on McDonald's timeout. Let's get a nice rip up. Come on. Don't allow this to go back red. But this is a little setup that they should rip it to 400.2, at least get a retest of VWAP. If that doesn't happen, then that would be very, very weak. You guys have to have made money today, right? So yeah, if you guys are up in green, if you guys made money today, can I see some ones in the chat? Just understand, guys, the stuff that I'm working on, it is not possible without you guys. None of anything that I do is possible without you guys. So I'm just letting you know, like, I do not take your time and your trust in me for granted. I'm gonna make you guys, like, I'm gonna prove you guys right. Basically, I'm gonna prove you guys right. I barely sleep. I don't have a social life. Barely have a social life. All I do is work. And I'm not taking this opportunity and everything for granted. I have a bunch of people just supporting me and loving me and everything like that. Crazy to me. So just understand, the stuff that I'm working on is going to change the industry. It's going to change the way that retail traders interact with the market. It's a wrap. It's honestly, it's yeah, just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Make your future self very proud of the person you are. Try to better yourself every day. Try to better yourself at least a little bit every day. I'm still holding. My break even is 0.92. But what I'm saying is, prove yourself right. Work hard, make your future self very, very proud. So you could look back on your life, not have any regret. Throw everything that you possibly can. Throw the kitchen sink at everything that you're doing. My first job, the first thing that I ever worked at, was a nursing home when I was like 12. And no, I was a little younger, I think. But regret is the biggest thing that people have. Don't regret. Work really, really hard. Do not allow regret to be something that you feel in the later years of your life. Because if you're not working hard when you have youth, it's gonna suck. You're gonna have to take a lot more risks. It's gonna be much more difficult when you have a wife, kids, when you have a bunch of different other responsibilities. You can't take huge risks. The time that you financially, socially could take risks, take every risk possible. Like, for example, I don't like streaming. This is really like, it's like when I first started streaming, it was like so difficult for me because prior to this, I was not even used to like, speaking when I traded. I needed to just completely focus. I could not enunciate vowels. I needed to just focus on trading and just execute. I was good with typing, cool, but speaking, being on camera, doing all this stuff, I had to, like, this was really, really tough for me. Not the toughest thing that I did, but this is like super uncomfortable. But that's where growth is, honestly. It sounds very corny, but that's where growth is. You have to just dive into things that are very, very uncomfortable. And the more you do that, everything else just becomes easy. For example, the stress of like a basketball player or a fighter going into the ring. There's millions of people watching and your life is on the line. So like that stress, once you overcome that and once you go through that, you become a different person. Obviously this is not the same as fighting, but it's like once you put yourself through small things that are just very uncomfortable, you grow as a person. Everyone around you becomes better based off of the difficulties that you go through in life and how you overcome them. You become a stronger person. For example, people that go into the military, they go through a lot of physical and mental pain, and then they basically become like much better versions of themselves, and then that helps everyone around them. So do all of the difficult things in the moment when they're difficult. Think of other people around you. Easy money. That's why we went long. Easy money. This is up 25%. Make sure you guys take profit. SPY closed above 400.16 and the VWAP. Thank you guys for the follows. Ooh, if they rip this up, that would be very, very interesting. Going long here is like really risky, but if they rip it up from here, that's pretty abnormal. That's pretty abnormal. I'm not complaining though. $50 SMA is acting as resistance on the SPY. 300.14 is acting as resistance on the NASDAQ. $35%. It's getting close to that point of buying puts. Let's see. NASDAQ, big green candle. Above 300.14. IWM, big green candle. That That's really crazy that they did this. I was not expecting that. I'm not complaining. I'm out of everything 50%. This is probably early again, but screw it. Let me chat. Make us more money? Is it gonna make me us more money? Yeah, of course. It's gonna help. It's gonna help everybody. It's gonna help everybody, and hopefully you're never gonna have to pay anyone for anything ever again, for any information. So hopefully that's what we're planning on doing. Tommy, can you check your Discord, brother? Yeah, sorry about that. I definitely will. Sorry about that. I'm just... yeah. Selling my positions a little too early today. Oh well. Can you explain how you approached the call put this morning? Yeah, I'm going to make like a video daily explaining the trades that I take, and they'll probably come out the next day, and I'll post them sometime in the afternoon. So for example, if I were to post a video today, it would be explaining the trades from yesterday. I'm buying puts again, 0.59 stop. Risky again, but whatever. IWM is trading right below the 200 SMA and VWAP. NASDAQ is trading right below 300.64. The SPY is trading right below, well, it's trading around 400.7. Well, trade is a trade. Stupid bulls want this to remain above 400.7. MMs, I have to put you on timeout. I'm gonna have to put you on timeout if you guys bounce this, because it makes no sense. That was a bull trap. Now they're chopping it around. People that went long over here in at 1040. People that went long at 1038. Just chopping around on these people. So unfortunate. They're not allowing it to just rip down. Things are very choppy. Damn. Got stopped out. I want to rebuy, maybe. Let's try again. SPY puts with a 0.58 stop. It's another very tight play. Thought you were gonna catch me. Thought you were gonna catch me, you MMs. 16% taking some profit. Yeah, the thing with scalping this market, you have to be very nimble. You can't, you have to take losses quickly. That's the thing. If you don't take losses quickly, you get married to that direction and you miss the entire move in the opposite direction. So you have to be okay with taking a loss and readjusting your position and behavior. NASDAQ is holding right above the 50 SMA. The IWM is right below the 50 SMA. And the SPY is trading below the 10 and 400.72. Things are definitely immediately, they're still bearish, but unless we get like a break above 400.9, then it's gonna look bad for bears. It's very slow, choppy price action for the past 20 minutes, 30 minutes almost. Very, very choppy price action. Getting people to be bullish and then bearish. And then this could just be a bear trap. And they could rip it up on this candle if they wanted. Let's see if there's buyers. Not, and we're set. This is going to be a good little, should be like a, all right, it's already up 20%. Should be at least 30. Let's see. $25. There's 30%. Beautiful. 35%. What a blessing. What a blessing. Oof. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Make sure you, oh my god. $65%. It's almost like we almost passed. We almost passed our exam, guys. Oh my god, what a day. Fudge. What a day, man. Alright, good stuff. I'm out of everything. I'm about to leave. Let's try it again. We got like we didn't get that many people say ones. If you guys made money today, I need to see some ones in the chat. The complete banger after banger. We had some small losses that were what, 5-10%. We mitigate our risk very, very well, but I need to see a bunch of ones in the chat. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I need to see a bunch of spamming ones. This is gonna go on TikTok. It's gonna go on YouTube Short. I need to see a bunch of ones. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Would you guys be down to go to Miami, like for like a meetup, like a community meetup? Hell yeah. When I earn enough from trading, nah. Like if I don't, yeah. If we ever do something like that, like I'm not gonna make you guys pay for anything. We have to figure that out. But yeah, like I'm just trying to figure out a place for where we could all go. Come to Toronto in the summer. Oh, I'm good. I'd rather stay home. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you though. Thank you. I'll be there definitely. For sure. Guy 007 fall 2. All love. Cool. I gotta get out of here before I just continue trading. I hope you guys did well, and I hope what a blessing, man. Damn, I want to go long again. Let me stop. We're gonna be here all day. All right. day. Love you guys. Take care. Have an amazing day. Love you guys. May God protect you and your family. Thank you. Okay, Dubai after these. When's CryptoBot coming out? Soon. Very, very soon. Alright, love you guys. Take care. I will see you guys tomorrow. I have a lot to do. Yeah, let's see. Let us see how much sleep I get. I'm gonna try my best. Come tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best to be on tomorrow, but I don't know how much sleep I'm gonna get today. I barely got sleep yesterday. Well, I barely got sleep overnight, and then I'm gonna be busy into the night again. Well, into early morning again, but let's see. All right, love you guys. Take care. Thank you for the follow. Thank you guys for the follows. I'm sorry I haven't really been looking at all the follows. Love you guys, man. Okay, take care. Have a good one. Thank you guys for